Oh, wow. All right. So look what we got here, guys. We have 1, 2, 4 shoots come out of this one onion, and I'm not sure what is this, if it's a fungus or what it is in that onion, but this is the result after 7 days. After 7 days, I cut the onion, place it in the sacks, and this is what I get after 7 days. 4 sprout of onion. So what I'm going to do with these onions, I'm going to cut them out and I'm going to transplant them. So I'm going to show you guys that I cut them out and how I transplant them. All right, so we're going to do that now. So peace. All right, guys, so now as you can see, I don't know what is this. It look like, I don't know what's form around it. Okay, I'm not sure what it is, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut these. I'm going to cut them, like separate them. Okay, now this one, all right, so I have 4, and these are bed with onions, not onion, garlic. This one is a red onion right here. So I'm going to plant these down to the end. The weather is amazing. Okay, so this is plant one day, one day. Okay, guys, so with these videos, this onions, I'm gonna keep you guys posted, so you guys can see the result from these 4 onions that come from, I put in the sacks and get this result. All right, guys, so peace out.